Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use ClickUp to manage client projects in the most efficient way using our complete 2025 guide. First things first, you'll want to set up your workspace. ClickUp allows you to create separate spaces for each client or project, which helps you keep tasks and conversations neatly organized and separated. This is crucial to keep your work streamlined and avoid any confusion between different projects. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating lists under each space. Lists serve as categories or sections within a project. For example, you can have a list for design, another for development, and so on. This helps us because it breaks down a substantial project into manageable bite-sized chunks. The reason we do this is to then add tasks to each list. Tasks are the core unit of work in ClickUp. Each task can have a description, due date, assignee, and multiple subtasks. Assigning tasks to team members and setting deadlines ensures everyone knows what they need to do and by when. Next up, you'll want to use ClickUp's custom status feature to track the progress of each task. You can set statuses like to do, in progress, review, and done. This helps us because it gives a clear visual representation of where each task stands in the workflow. Let me explain why this matters. Being able to see at a glance what stage each task is at makes project management more efficient. It helps identify bottlenecks, gives an indication of project progress, and enables team members to collaborate more smoothly. Last but not least, take advantage of ClickUp's Docs feature. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Docs serve as a centralized place for project-related documents and notes. They can be linked to tasks and are searchable, making it easier to find necessary information and keep everything connected. And there it is. You've just set up your ClickUp to manage client projects effectively. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and transparent so everyone knows what's going on and nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those projects running smoothly.